A Ferris wheel has a radius of 12 meters and makes one complete revolution every 2 minutes. Riders board the wheel at a height of 1 meter above the ground. A ride lasts for 3 revolutions of the wheel. The graph of the motion is shown. State the domain and range in as many ways as possible. In the introduction to this lesson, you were taught 5 different ways of expressing domain and range. Let's set up a table with headings for each of the 5 different ways. In sentence form, we would say, the domain is between 0 and 6, and the range is between 1 and 25. The domain can be expressed on a number line by placing closed points at 0 and 6, then connecting them with a line. For the range, place closed points at 1 and 25 and connect those with a solid line too. For set notation, we write the domain as 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 6. Recall that this way of writing domain is often called in-between notation since we have a starting point and an ending point for the domain. The range is written as 1 less than or equal to h less than or equal to 25, also using in-between notation. It's important to use the correct variables when writing the domain and range. In this example, the domain is time and the range is height. We can't write the domain and range as a discrete list since the graph is continuous, so we'll just write not applicable here. Using interval notation, the domain is 0, 6 in square brackets. We use square brackets since the values 0 and 6 are included in the domain. The range is 1, 25, also in square brackets since 1 and 25 are included in our data set.